Alright, so here's a Trane XB13 heat pump. It's a big one. 2013 4-ton. It is a heat pump. Let's see. Of course, the stuff is back here. Oh. Well, can't say I've seen that before. Hackery. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch that anymore. Reversing valve's right there. Yeah, I don't know why that is there, when clearly you have all that. It was probably a replacement that they had to do. Yeah. Never seen that before, but there's another Freon cap right here. Plastic piece of crap. And whatever this is. I don't think it's been running, but I'm gonna attempt to get a startup of it in heat mode or in cool mode. It's not all that cold, but yep. Trane XB13. Thanks for watching.